So I'd like to teach you a simple technique for helping to reduce stress and anxiety anytime you may feel it coming on. It's called the 4-7-8 breath. Now you can modify if you're just learning some breathing techniques, because you will have to be holding your breath. So if at any time you feel dizzy or uncomfortable doing so, you can always just breathe normally again. Here's how it works. You take a deep breath in for 4, making sure your belly is moving outward on the inhale. So here we go. Breathe in for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now hold your breath for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And exhale for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Thanks.